students, welcome to Radiant Maths classes. Today students, I have a question number 4 from 3.7 number exercise, optional exercise NCERT Maths. Here is the question for you. The students of our class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So you have to know the Hindi of this question. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को लाइनों में खड़ा करना है. अगर 3 स्टूडेंट्स एक लाइन में एक्स्ट्रा खड़े कर दिए जाएं तो 1 रो लेस पड़ती है. अगर एक रो में 3 स्टूडेंट्स कम कर दिए जाएं तो 2 रोज बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. तो हमको ये बताना है कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स क्लास में कितने हैं. सो यू हैव टू लेट द नंबर ऑफ students in each row be x and number of rows be y. Before starting this question, you have to know about this question in Hindi. Like this, suppose there are 5 lines and in every line there are 5 students. अगर आपके सामने 5 लाइन है और हर लाइन में 7 स्टूडेंट्स खड़े हुए हैं तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने होंगे? डू यू नो? यस. एक 1 लाइन में 5 स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो 7 में कितने होंगे? 35. तो क्या किया हमने? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन ईच रो इनटू मल्टीप्लाई बाय रोज. अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मूला हियर. The total number of students will be number of students into number of rows. Like this, 5 into 7 is equal to 35, and apply the same format here. X into y is equal to xy. Now what is the case number 1 according to the first question of the question? Case number 1, here is the case number 1. Number of students in a row. Number of students, if 3 students are extra in a row, number of students x plus 3, and number of rows, how many number of rows will be? Number of rows y, 1 row less means y minus 1, and total number of students, will be product of number of rows into number of students. X plus 3 multiply by minus 1. Like this, xy this. Number of students will remain same in both the conditions. So number of students here, xy is equal to multiply this x y minus 1 plus 3 y minus 1. Open the bracket by multiplication. Xy, x minus 1 minus x plus 3 into y, 3y, 3 1 are 3. Xy is equal to, when we transfer xy from RHS to LHS, it will be cancelled. Now transfer x and 3y terms, RHS to LHS. There will be x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. This is the equation number 1. Now similarly in second case, case number 2, number of students in a row, number of students in a row, 3 students less in a row means x minus 3. Number of students will be x minus 3 and number of rows will be, how many rows will be? 2 rows more, means y plus 2. So number of students will be, multiply this like x, y, number of rows multiply by number of students, x minus 3, y plus 2 here. Number of students are x minus x, y, product x, y plus 2 minus 3, y plus 2. Now do this question here. xy is equal to xy plus 2x minus 3y minus 3 to just 6. Cancel xy to xy, transfer from RHS to LHS, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. This is the equation number 2. Students, you have a 2 equation. One, x minus 3y is equal to minus 3, and second one is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. You have to solve these 2 equations by elimination method. It is very easy. Now take first equation, 3y plus 3y minus. So adding equation number 1 and 2. X minus 3y is equal to minus 3 and minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. On adding, it will be cancelled. X minus 2x will be minus x, minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 9, cancelled minus from both the sides, and x is equal to 9. This is the x. X means number of students in each row will be 9. Putting this value in equation number 1, x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. This is the equation number 1. Put the value of x in this equation. 9 minus 3y is equal to minus 3. Minus 3y is equal to minus 3. Transfer from LHS to RHS of 9. It will be minus 9. And minus 3y is equal to minus 3 minus 9 will be minus 12. Minus to minus cancel. Y is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 4 are 12. Y is equal to 4. This y is equal to 4 is the number of rows. So number of students in each row 9 and number of students are 4 in each line. So total number of students will be xy. This is the final required answer, number of students. So putting the value of xy here from this, now total number of students is equal to xy means x here 9 into 4, 36. There will be 36. This is the required answer of this question. I hope every student will be satisfied from the pattern and the question and answer. So you have to practice it, and today this is the final answer of the question. 36 students in the class. So thank you very much at last.